दोस्तों अभी हम जा रहे हैं हमारे कंसेशन में सर्वे करने के लिए, और अब हम थोड़ा रोड से ऑफ रोड आ गए हैं। और अगर आप ये जस्ट राइट साइड में देखेंगे तो देयर इज 𝐵2 गोल्ड इन द राइट साइड, राइट?
𝐵2 gold in the right side. Opesh is complete, eh? So like this one, what does this share?
Yeah.
Just to give you the overview of the. Singh also like things. They say what?
दोस्तों दिस इज उपेश सिंह और अभी हम हैं हमारे माइनिंग कंसेशन में और नामीबिया के अंदर, और अभी हम सर्वे करने वाले हैं।
Hey, big boss.
So we just want to get to familiarize ourselves with the type of the rocks that are available in this property.
Okay.
So after we are done here, we check here. So we might drive here. So I'm hoping maybe we can also get the other road that can connect the other side of the EPL.
Okay.
Yeah. But this one is just, since it's very close to 𝐵2 gold, it would be nice for Opesh to check the type of the rocks that are mostly associated with the mineralization and also the top part of the gold mineralization.
Everything in your hand, man.
Yeah. So here what we have here, this is the most top part of in this area. So like 𝐵2 gold, it's hosted by the formation like 𝐬𝐲𝐴 formation, and 𝐻𝐸𝐵𝐲𝐴 and 𝐬𝐻𝐸𝐳𝐵, those three types. So what you get most of the time, the top part, you get things like this. So these are calcrete. White rocks you see on top, and there's in some area you also find the oxide. So if we go, maybe let's just go deeper there, if you can find a fresh rock. When we are done here, we just drive to the side out of here. So here we have this one. So this is the marble. There's a marble there, and there's a calcrete part. You know, when the rain comes, the parts that dissolve, then they form the calcrete. So that part. So this is the typical rocks that you usually find most of the part here.
Okay.
You find most of these type of rocks. So, and this is the area, the critical rocks that are usually associated with the mineral type of the scan type of deposit in these areas. Okay. So with the veins of the quartz and other things, if you want, but we just want to drive all the way, then we're hoping then we can get some other area there too that connect the EPL. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. So let's just drive there and to see. So must start.
Yeah, why not?
Okay. So what I'm holding here, it's a quartz vein that we found here in the property. It's also one of the best indication of the gold mineralization in this area.
Okay.
So around here in the north and central zone of Damara orogens, because all the gold deposited here, they have a similar characteristic. So you find Nava Cup, you find 𝐵2 gold, then in this property also. So they have all similar property. So that's also a confidence for us if we find more of this also in the area associating with mineralizations.
We can get something solid, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Rain?
There was a way to go there, man. You want to see some more stones?
Yes, definitely. I told this man clearly
So
what I want.
Let's go further. Let me see if we can get it on. In case we come back, then we can go to that one if we don't get it.
दोस्तों अभी हम बुश में हैं और हमारा जो गोल्ड कंसेशन है उसका एक्सप्लोरेशन करने जा रहे हैं। हम 2 कंसेशंस का एक्सप्लोरेशन कर रहे हैं, एक तो हमारे लिए, एक हमारे क्लाइंट के लिए। और आप देख सकते हैं ये है नामीबिया। We are with Jack and King of Africa, Gabriel.com and our hydrogeologist Gideon. Man, we pay you a lot of money, huh? So we need a good report.
Let's understand the B2Go was also just like this. It was a farm just like this. The same.
The thing you see these rocks. This one we find. So this one they put there after they dig. Those are not those rocks. After they dig, then they put some there. You can check it. So
That we need to check it.
Yeah, with B2Gold, they did. They found the area also like this. They were looking at the geology, the formation of the geology, the trend, because this central zone, north central zone it's a crucial for gold mineralization and copper. So if you go down there, Otavi, you also find copper, lead. Yeah, there's a mine there also. But this part now of where you're coming from, window, it's mostly have gold. Yeah.
दोस्तों ये जो फेंसिंग हो रही है इसके जस्ट बगल में हमने कंसेशन लेने के प्लान किया है और ये B2 गोल्ड है।
So this is a farm, but that's a farm. It's not the EPL from B2 gold.
It's not. It's a farm, huh?
It's just a farm. They are renting.
But
So they fencing it, huh?
But they're on my EPL.
But they fence it all.
They are
Yeah,
renting it.
but they're renting it. But you can talk to them. But you have to make an appointment. But it's on my EPL. It's on my EPL.
It's in our IPL, right?
Yeah, it's on our EPL.
So we need to discuss with them also.
Yeah, we need to discuss. But if you decide to go there, no, I can. I just have to bring my paper along and tell them that we are coming.
Okay.
It's on my EPL.
Great guys.
What we have here, it's a marble. Yeah, it's part of Caribbean Formation. So
What is a marble?
Yeah, it's one of the rocks that are hosting B2 gold.
Okay.
So if we dig here,
Yeah.
we dig this type of this white stone you see here.
Yeah.
So the
This one, huh?
Yeah, those white stone there. Other zone we are going. These are like fresh.
दोस्तों अभी हम लोग सर्वे कर रहे हैं हमारे कंसेशन का गोल्ड के लिए और 23 किलोमीटर का बड़ा एरिया है जो हमने लिया है, तो डेफिनेटली मेहनत तो करनी पड़ेगी ज़्यादा।
It's like they are mixed. This other one is 𝐒𝐲𝐶𝐻 rocks, and this one is a light one. It's a bit of a marble. So they are mixed. So
You can take this with me.
so these are
Coming directly from the ground.
part of the
They are part of the
that associate with the gold. We have marble there, and we have also the 𝐒𝐲𝐶𝐻, this type of rock, metamorphic rocks that are likely like this.
So we can get gold here.
Yeah, you can get gold here.
Seriously?
Seriously.
You are doubting.
You are true. You see, let me give you a history.
Yeah.
A history of B2 gold. B2 gold, they started doing explorations in somewhere in 60s. Local people, they had some few ideas what was happening. But it only became a mine in 2014.
Yeah.
From 2010 they were doing the feasibility study. 2010, 2011 metallurgical work. 2014 the first gold was discovered. How many years from
2014
1960 to here, and how many years? You see,
they put lot of effort, huh?
Now they already did the job for us because we're already in the vicinity.
now at least now we know
know.
This, if you find something like this, we are likely to find gold. You understand?
We are near.
At least now we have
So
hope.
what do you want to say, that they all do all the hard work for us?
They did hard work for us. So they did the hard work for us. So that's
This is the right way to get a mine. This is my way of working also. I always search a place near if we have a concession. Working.
Yeah. Because for them, like, you know, there was 𝐬𝐬𝐴, there was a 𝐬𝐬𝐴 company that did exploration. They left. They said there's no gold here. They left.
Okay.
And there was another JV. They did exploration. They left. Until this company. Oh, don't forget about Oryx.
Yeah, Oryx was also here.
Oryx was also here. They did exploration. They
Then
left.
they left.
Then they came.
Then 3 failures, huh?
You know, they are actually like 5.
5. Oh my
Until
God.
Oryx. Oryx, there's Oryx. There's a difference between this one, Oryx. Oryx, then
Oryx.
Oryx.
Yeah.
So this guy was 50 years unsuccessful attempt. And
Then
also,
and the last this all comes, huh?
yes. And the good part of this Lucas EPL also, there's already a sample that was confirmed.
Okay.
And inside the EPL, the farm, that had the gold.
Okay. It's
So
confirmed with the sample, huh?
Yeah, it is from the sample. It's already in the desktop report. You see? So we have hope. And what we discover that, based on what B2Gold discovered, we find out that the same rocks that's hosting B2Gold and hosting the Nava Cup, they are all in the same lineament of the geology.
Okay.
Yeah, no central zones hosting the gold. From there,
This is the same rock as we find on that area.
that's
Near to B2Gold, huh?
yeah, B2Gold.
Because we are serving all places.
Take it out.
Yeah, maybe take it out. Let's check it, the real thing.
The same area, this one.
Yeah, I
Same
don't
rock.
think it's same. See?
Yeah, we can even go back and drive. You can compare.
Gabriel's gonna kill us.
Compare, you drive, compare again.
Gabriel's gonna kill you.
Yeah. To be sure, if you want, you can drive again. You can go back.
No problem, no problem. अभी रोड से हम अंदर बुश में एंटर कर रहे हैं और ये जो कंसेशन है अभी देखिए, दिस इज द सेम थिंग व्हाट आई वांट दिस वन. आप मेरे दूसरे वीडियो में भी देखेंगे कि ये सेम है.
You see that one, the one I was explaining to him.
या
This one is the small one.
लेट मी मेक इट वीडियो.
So, what we see here, the rock that look like pressure, brecciated, it's similar to
B2Gold.
To B2Gold.
Okay.
Yeah, it's the same. Like also we also have this type.
Yeah, that I take it before 2
So,
minutes.
This
And this was is also same. I think
Yeah.
what we had it.
is also a quartz vein.
What
So
was
just-
you? Yeah.
This is just to tell you that we are sitting on the same geology with B2Gold and with the area of the potential area. Yes.
The
There
all
was-
23 kilometers.
Yes.
All 23 kilometers.
I think
have
it's
the
same, huh?
geology. They're the
We do
same
go up to
geology.
here. We are just the same
Yeah.
people.
The same family. So the same family means that what B2Gold have, we also
Have.
have.
So we are in the same family, huh?
Yeah. Same
What do you
blood.
think? When we start, we are in same family?
Yeah. To get a nice gold here, we are going to use similar technology built to gold health.
Yeah,
You
definitely.
actually collaborate together. Yeah.
Let's go, man. Then it's time to go back because this Gabriel, he's crying. His my last question with you, very honest question.
Yes.
We are going to invest lot of money.
Yeah.
Seriously. We get it. Good gold here. because you are a geologist and you know the best thing. You are arranged from the ministry in Namibia, right, for us. So I want to know that the chances here and near to VT Gold, we have a good chance, right?
Yes, we have good chance. So we have a good chance from 𝐻𝐸𝐷 Gold because we are very close to the mine. So historical, before those guys came in, they were struggling. But now we have everything. We are going to use the same methodology they used to discover gold that we are going to apply. The good part, we are not going to do a lot. We've done already a lot of work.
Yeah,
we also have another.
I believe in that.
We also have another sample which they got from this area that had gold.
Okay.
There was a sample already, previous sample done.
Doston, this is Gideon,
Yes.
and arranged by the government of Namibia, and we are the best place to start gold mine. And definitely, if everything goes well, Monday morning we launch our company. Let's see things together.